Hidden problems under your car? See what the WDMI inspection mirror reveals. You know that moment when you know something's off but can't quite see it? Maybe under the car, behind that bulky cabinet, or in that unreachable corner. It's frustrating, right? Like your tools are mocking you. The WDMI inspection mirror flips that story. Seen it happen before? Drop a comment if you've battled the same can't see but know it's there situation. There's a special kind of stress when you're chasing problems you can't even see. Mechanics feel it, guards live it, maintenance pros dread it. The tension builds until you start guessing instead of knowing. Imagine if there was a way to regain control, precise, effortless, and calm, without crawling, climbing, or contorting your body every single time. Meet the WDMI Telescopic Under-Vehicle Inspection Mirror, a simple-looking tool that quietly transforms how professionals inspect, discover, and secure. Built for law enforcement, facility managers, and auto technicians, it extends effortlessly from 45 centimeters to 110 centimeters, giving you reach where visibility once ended. Its large 14 centimeters convex acrylic mirror captures wide, crisp reflections, revealing hidden leaks, tampering signs, or misplaced tools with astonishing clarity. The stainless steel telescopic handle feels light but steady, while the adjustable swivel lets you angle your view in tight spaces or deep under vehicles. Add the optional LED illumination, and shadows stop being obstacles. They become detail zones. One technician told us, "I spotted a wiring issue in under a minute, what used to take me half an hour." If you've ever wondered how security teams scan entire vehicles in seconds, this is their secret. Here's one way the WDMI saved the day for a fatigued officer. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end. The WDMI isn't just a mirror. It's a multiplier of human focus. Security officers use it to check under trucks at checkpoints without bending or losing visual control. Mechanics rely on it to inspect oil pans, brake lines, and exhaust systems faster than lifting a vehicle. A building inspector shared, "I found a ceiling leak in 2 minutes, without ladders or back pain." Industry analysts call it a non-intrusive essential, praising its durable materials and wide-angle clarity. Influencers highlight its lightweight body and smooth swivel, perfect for rapid inspection workflows. Users from factories to gated communities echo the same line. It saves time, energy, and frustration. Imagine walking into a dark garage, LED switch on, mirror angled. Suddenly the unseen becomes obvious. That's what thousands of professionals talk about daily. Instant insight, zero strain. Which feature would save your day? Comment below and tell us. From airports to local repair shops, this tool's reach keeps expanding, one effortless inspection at a time. Because clarity, it turns out, is more than what you see. It's how you feel when you finally see it. Don't wait for the next inspection headache to hit. The WDMI is trusted by security pros, police teams, and maintenance experts across industries, and it's proving itself daily. Thousands have already upgraded their workflow and won't go back. Grab yours today and experience the difference that real visibility makes. Click now and unlock a hidden feature inside, one that makes every check faster, cleaner, and smarter than before. The clear view you've been waiting for is just one smart decision away.